Today, let's talk about a power feature or a more technical feature that helps you with support when you're having issues with a point of sale. Our goal and hope is that never happens, but sometimes you do need support functionality within an application. So let's talk about how our support functionality works and how you can use it. So, a little bit of background. Our point of sale uses browser data and browser storage to run very fast and very smooth. At times, just like you have situations where you need to clear cache or clear cookies, that might be a step you want to do within the point of sale to clear out those old data information and start with a fresh new setup. So let's go ahead and show you how that works. Quickly, in the left-hand side, select the menu and select support. Within the support form, you have a couple different options here. So let's look through this together. First, you have the ability to issue a support ticket directly within the point of sale. Give us your name, give us your email, describe what problem you're having. We always recommend you include the Send POS System Report. Why? This gives us important information about your configuration, important information about the point of sale that allows us to better understand the issue and better help you troubleshoot what's going on. So we always recommend including it. Below that is what we call system statuses. We have several different system statuses to manage the functionality of the point of sale. For example, general settings, such as notifications, such as settings related to the station. We have tax information, product information, categories, coupons, gateways, which we commonly refer to as gateways for credit card payments, cash payments, check payments, and so forth. And we have locations, which is referred to print stations. How is your printing stations linked and connected to your point of sale? All of these can be synced, which means it will go and call and look at the latest setting for your specific type of content, or it can be force sync. Force sync says it will override anything that has been saved in the past and get a fresh new copy of it. Often we say if it's just a minor setting, a sync is a good option if you're just trying to update with a product that you added on the back end and it's not showing. Or if you're having a more critical problem where your tax information isn't loading, go ahead and do a force sync. Below that, you have additional information that you can use within the support ecosystem. First is debug data. Let's say that we've gone ahead and used this system report for sending the POS system report, but it's not enough. You might have one of our support team members ask you to actually download out that debug data. So if you see one of those errors like a force sync error, and you do a reset and that's not supporting and not helping the issue, go ahead and download that debug data and send it to our support team for us to further kind of understand and help you troubleshoot. The last thing is similar to what we talked about with caching or cookies, our point of sale is storing some data locally on your browser. And sometimes it's good to refresh and clear that data to make sure that the data has the most recent settings from your point of sale. That's easy to do and it's kind of very quick and easy to do. So all you do is you click this clear cache data, and this will go ahead and do kind of what we call a reset of the point of sale. It will clear all that stored data that's been stored in the past. It will then take all those new settings that are currently set on your point of sale and do a refresh of that point of sale station for you. Quick note, sometimes this will take a little bit longer to load the point of sale compared to when, say, you're loading it up and you've been loading it up reoccurring times. The reason is all that data that was saved was actually reset, so it takes a minute to kind of sync all that again. But as you can see here, it's actually still very fast. You can tell now that all that's been synced, and we can go ahead, go back to the menu, and start using your point of sale again. Once it loads up, we're at the final step of syncing the products. You're good to go. Again, we hope that you don't have to use the support section very often, but there's a lot of information in there to help you in case you do have any issues with the point of sale. And as always, you can contact the support team. They're very helpful and love helping out the customers with any issues they encounter. I hope that's helpful. Have a great day.